So, hangin. So medyo na busy gamay bay but nag-shoot na ko event karon niya kanang kuan siya kanang tea ceremony kanang mga Asian nga Chinese, Vietnamese, anything related to China, I think, or Malaysian man tingali or basta nanay mga tea ceremony niya kana siya na before the wedding na siya mag-inom sila tea with the elders and everything else niya magpasahay na. So there's a ceremony muna siya na held karon kay next week wedding nila, but I'll be shooting another wedding next week, so that's why I'm just shooting it now. Anyway, muna siya wala kay ko mag-video gikapoy sa kuning sige beep kay naka-reverse man ko. So anyway, mupadong sa ko uli kay nako i-shoot sad later nga kanang proposal. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, look at those haze up there. Smoky haze. That's so awesome, guys. Yep. Jeep that's like mine over there. Yep, white Jeep. Awesome. I'm gonna switch camera first quickly, then I'm gonna be out of your way just so that you spend your time together. Have to bring 3 cameras just to be sure.
Oh, this place is so beautiful.
I'm not using this maybe.
Yeah.
Let's go closer to it.
Like this? What?
No. Let me just go closer. Just go.
Like this?
Let's go through the. Oh, I love that one. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. I'm shooting a lot of footage. I'm still riding around 800 of them. And then look at each other. He was so nervous.
I was so nervous.
The traffic didn't help.
The traffic didn't help.
Yeah, sorry. It was really bad traffic. Like, I was on the other end of the city, and I said it was still another 17 minutes to get here. I was like, you know, I was so close to doing my makeup here. Okay, yeah.
So, bayin ako sa manakog shoot niya. Akong shoot niya sa taas kanina. Pero wala ko ka-video sa akong kagalingon. Nag-video lang ko sa couple nga kasal. I mean, nag-propose. But other than that, yes. Anyway, padong sa ko nga sa akong kadulngan. Yep. Nalibog ko. So, mag-anto ko ka ng train station. Magpad ko pagkaon nito. Maybe cake or churros. Pasalubong. Yep. So it's been a while I've been here at Flinders. Yep. So niadto kog Flinders Bay niya kanang namay kanang monkey sige na pox nga kon karon respiratory sad. So nagmask na lang ko. Yeah, dagan pa kong wedding i-shoot, so nag-mask na lang ko, nag-paranoid na lang ko. Pero as of now, padong na kulit, nagpahit ako cake. Then uli na ko shoot na sa kugma. Okay guys, see ya. Sulit sa kong mga 40 minutes tingin ni biyahe pa dong sa balay, pero traffic kay na ay footy or football, Australian football, AFL. So naghang ako kaya wala ko madadugla ko. Anyway, huli na bay drive sa koron. Yeah, there's my wonderful Jeep. Guwapa kaya akong Jeep. Guwapa kaysa sulod na ko.